In today's video, I'm going to teach you Google Drive tutorial, how to make Google Drive file available offline. If you ever find yourself without a reliable internet connection, making key drive files available offline can save the day. Here's how to set it up once and then choose the specific files you want at your fingertips. Start by opening Google Drive in your web browser so you're on the main Drive home screen where all your folders and files are listed. In the upper right corner, look for the small gear icon. That's the settings menu. Click it. Then choose Settings from the drop-down to open the full settings window. Inside Settings, scroll until you see the offline section. Turn on the option that lets you create, open and edit supported Google files when you're not connected. The first time you enable this, Drive may take a moment to prepare your device and you might see a brief notice while it gets things ready. Keep your browser open and give it time to finish, especially if you have a lot of recent documents. This toggle doesn't download everything. It simply turns on the ability to keep selected items on this device. When that's done, close or go back from settings to return to your Drive home. Now pick the specific file you want available offline, click the file to select it. With the file selected, look for the option that says Make Available Offline. Depending on your layout, you might see this in the toolbar, in the right side details panel, or in the menu that appears when a file is selected. Click Make Available Offline and Drive will download that file for offline use on this device. Give it a few seconds to complete. You'll typically see an offline indicator once it's ready. From now on, you can open that file even without internet, and your changes will sync the next time you reconnect. Keep in mind that large files can take longer and use storage space, so choose only what you need. Also, offline availability is per device. If you work on another computer, you'll need to enable offline there too. For the smoothest experience, use an up-to-date browser and let your device stay awake while offline files finish preparing. Because offline copies are stored locally, stick to trusted personal computers and limit offline access to your most important documents. That's it. You've turned on offline access and made a specific Drive file available offline. Thanks for watching and enjoy working with your files anywhere, even without a connection.